Okay, this is I'm at the rally here on April 10th with the fire department coming through here. Look at this. It's going to be hard for me to talk, guys.
USA! 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 USA!
Coming out of the woodwork. I don't know why people make such a big deal over mandate, because a mandate is absolutely nothing. It's like, go tie your shoes. There's your mandate. Suggestion. So dumb. They turned it into like some law. It's a joke. Oh, look at this over here. I'll show you the stage. Let's go over here. This is crazy. Best turnout I've seen anywhere. Right? Let's go in here and take a look. I wish they all would turn out like this. Look at this, guys. This is great. Hey, I got one. Thanks, bro. Yeah, this is a heck of a turnout. I'm really liking this. We need this, man. We're being pushed around by a bunch of friggin' bullies who have no clout to do anything. Nothing. All they have is money. That's about it. So they think they can boss everybody around, inject who they want, chew my shorts, you freaks. So anyway, I'm going to stay in a happy mood here because I'm so happy with this turnout. Really happy. The truckers are here. There's all kinds of people here. Del Big Tree's High Wire. He's here with his group. This is great. I'll get some more later on when this stuff starts happening here. It's hard to talk to you like this. It's so noisy. But I'm happy it is. All right, take care, guys. Oh.